Hello, welcome to January 10th, 2025, a brand new year. I'm just going to cover a bunch of different things all about the Board of Pardons. It's just an update about what to expect in 2025. I said before that the Board of Pardons is meeting 4 times to do merit reviews this year, and they're meeting 4 times to do public sessions. So I expect them to be just meeting more frequently, and they're doing that to try to keep up with the volume of people that are filing these pardons. So that's good news. Public sessions are February 19th, 20th, and 21st, June 4th, 5th, and 6th, October 8th, 9th, and 10th. So beyond today, that's 3 more triple days of public sessions. They usually go through about 120 cases. Yesterday, we sat in on the public hearings, and in the morning, 7 people were recommended to the governor without even doing a presentation. Those are called excused calendar cases, and they're excused because the board unanimously already knows that they want to recommend them. So they did those 7, and then they heard 14 cases, and by the end of the morning, they recommended 18 out of 21 cases, which is 85%, but they denied 3 out of 21 cases, so they denied 15%, and that was disheartening to those people. In the afternoon, though, it was sort of worse. They listened to 15 cases, and you really had a chance if you were watching the link we sent, or if you were watching the Board of Pardons public sessions. Dr. Williams and the victim witness advocate, everybody was really grilling these candidates quite a bit, and they denied 8 out of 15 cases. So they denied 53% of the cases yesterday afternoon, but they still recommended 47. That's 7 out of 15. One of my takeaways was that the very first case that we watched them listen to, I think this was in the morning. The morning case was a 40-year-old burglary. A 40-year-old burglary that happened when this 59-year-old was 19. And they really grilled him for about 10 minutes. And to me, a 40-year-old burglary with no intervening problems would be a no-brainer. But the board just seems to be really interested in if people have any addiction to alcohol and you still continue to drink. They really are hesitant. I think that was part of the afternoon's 53% denial rate, was that people that had committed crimes or had a drug and alcohol problem, well, were either not admitting that they continue to drink or couldn't answer truthfully. And the fact of the matter is, what the board wants to hear is, my clean date was 2018. I haven't had a drink for 6 years. I guess the only takeaway is, America has a really sort of schizophrenic relationship with alcohol. On one hand, it's promoted on every commercial. It's promoted with every food product. It's promoted at every sport and mass event, whether it's comedy clubs or whatever. And on the other hand, it's not legal to drink and drive when you're over 0.08, but it is legal to drink and drive safely under 0.08. But then again, if you get a DUI, or more importantly, if you get 2 or 3, which takes you up into the Misdemeanor 1 or a felony 3 land, the board just really has this quiet expectation that you acknowledge that alcohol's a problem and you just quit drinking. Whether that's realistic in America or not, whether you're a hunter in a rural county that likes to have a couple of beers when you're watching football on the weekends or not, the board just seems to have this quiet expectation that your clean date, and whatever got you in trouble, you stop doing it. So I'm going to continue to noodle that over. We're going to continue to watch and try to keep you updated on what the Board of Pardons is doing in 2025. Welcome aboard.